This time I told myself that I must try to miss you no more. My heart must try to let you go because of our fate. No matter how much we love, there won't be a day we will become one. This time I had to let you go. My little bird, now I will open the door and let you soar. When I tell you, baby, when I tell you that I no longer love you, oh, how my heart will hurt and break. Do you know that? Baby, do you know that I can't bear to turn and look at you, babe, 'cause in that moment you will see me cry. I will go live alone, I will not love another through the end of this life and next. I will wait, see if my little bird will return, fly and land right here in my arms. Oh, how I would embrace him tight. When I tell you, baby, when I tell you that I no longer love you, oh, how my heart will hurt and break. Do you know that? Baby, do you know that I can't bear to turn and look at you, babe, 'cause in that moment you will see me cry. From now on until when he returns, I pray the heavens let my love, let him live blissfully, let him live with only laughter. Let me miss him so. Let the